Hi, it's Jeff here. I'm just going to show you some of our toys and donations that our VivaMK customers have done this year for our Barnardo's appeal. I'm doing it on video because, as you'll see, there's lots and lots of donations. It's a varied mix of toys, games, cuddly toys, and some customers have donated jigsaws as well. As you can see, there's a display of those at the back. Thank you for those. And you see there's lots and lots of gifts that we can give to Barnardo's, and they'll pass it on to all the children that they look after. And I think that gives you a good showing of how good our VivaMK customers are. And I'll try to close in, and you can see the nice little mice say thank you as well. Okay, bye now.